Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by placing the work in a ventilated spot and equipping yourself. Safety matters. Put on chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a respirator before you touch the container. Next, remove loose hardware and mask adjacent surfaces with tape and paper to prevent overspray or drips. Then, apply a thin, even coat of paint remover using a brush designed for solvents. You want coverage without puddling. Once applied, wait the recommended dwell time, because the stripper needs to soften the paint for efficient removal. Once the stripper has softened the paint, start scraping with a plastic or wooden scraper held shallow, about 30 degrees, to lift softened layers without damaging the substrate. If paint resists, reapply a thin coat and let it work again. Repeated short cycles often remove many coats safely. Use small tools, brass brush, dental pick, or grout brush, to access moldings and corners. Make sure to collect flakes on a drop cloth as you go, because keeping the area tidy speeds the job and prevents recontamination. You now remove residue and prepare the surface for finish. Follow the remover's neutralization step. Wipe with the recommended solvent or water solution, then let the substrate dry completely. After drying, sand starting with 120 grit to remove small remnants, then finish with 220 grit for a smooth surface that accepts new paint. Make sure to vacuum and tack cloth before priming. If paint or primer won't adhere, repeat spot stripping on that area and re-clean. That troubleshooting step resolves most adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.